Let's take what we've learned today also to our community, because in gangs we have children in gangs. I mean, gangsterism is totally wrong. It's not war, right? It's totally wrong. But then also they make use of children, right? So take it to the community and may God help us that we would never need to recruit children for any war, any rebellion or whatever. Okay? Is there anyone who wants to say something? All right, Ashley?
Something important we left out, sir, and as Martin Luther King said, sir, I have a dream, sir, and now by recruiting children as combatants, sir, you taking away their future, sir, so which automatically it means you're spoiling their dreams, sir.
Yeah.